Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today it is a very special day because the market is giving you a lot of gifts, and we are going to go over specific stocks that I think is going to make huge comebacks in the next few months to come, and they are on a mega sale. It is time for you guys to start averaging in dollar cost average into these stocks. These stocks aren't going anywhere. They're going to go right back up. We are going to make profit on them while they're on their lows and buy them while they're pretty much on a huge discounted sale. I'm going to go over several sectors, several specific stocks in this video that you guys can choose from. Whether you want to go with a specific stock or not, that is going to be definitely up to you. You guys just have to choose which one is your favorite company and go with that, because it always comes down to what is your favorite company, what is your financial goal, what is something you want to do to succeed as a trader. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I really do appreciate it. Come check out my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come learn how to make good returns on your investment. Check out my Patreon page. Link can be found in the description box below. Also, guys, do not miss out on the promotion right now where you can get 2 free stocks from WeBull. All those links can be found in the description box below. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let us check out what is going on with the market. And as you guys can see, there are a lot of stocks that are pretty much in the blood zone. They are bleeding badly. And this gives us a great opportunity to buy these. Right now, the best sector to buy is the financial sector. It has taken a massive hit. I am not kidding. All their stocks in this sector has just gone nothing but down. The best ones are going to be your Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, and then if you want to do the banks, all the banks are good except Wells Fargo. Anything but Wells Fargo, all right? Pick your JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citi. Don't pick this trash, all right? Wells Fargo is the trashiest of them all. Discover, financials, all these credit cards have taken massive plunges. Let's go over the chart, see what they are doing, what's so bad about them. All right, look at that. We're gonna check Bank of America first. This stock it's just starting to bleed out. All right, Bank of America is not ready yet. I think it has a lot more room to go down. If we look at Citi looks like it's getting ready. I don't think it's fully ready, but it is getting there. It's pretty sold. JP Morgan has been pretty oversold like crazy. Last time it hit around 160, it bounced and went right back up. Expect that to happen. Expect this support level to hold. And look at that. This is how crazy it was, right? It hit the 160 level and it started to bounce, right? I can expect JP Morgan to bounce right back up regardless. Don't buy this trash, please. This is a shitty garbage bank. I don't recommend it. But if you want to do it, that's up to you. I wouldn't do it. Next, we got our other financial sector, and that is your PayPal. We just did a video last week, and it had a nice bounce to 215, and then the whole financial sector has been taking massive hits, right? If we look at Square is going to be an amazing trade coming up. Look at that. It held the previous lows like crazy. Bouncing off this several times. This is crazy. Every time it hits around 225, it starts to bounce right back up. I really like this about Square. I think Square is pretty promising. If we go and look into your Visa, look at that. Visa is doing pretty bad right now. Amazon's told them like these people are scumbags and they stopped accepting them in the European areas. MasterCard is just, I wouldn't buy MasterCard. It's still way too high. This is like this is Masco. This is definitely not MasterCard. This is MasterCard. MasterCard here, I think it has room to go down. We were hoping to see it go to 323 if anything, right? But it is holding the previous 335 zone, so you could see a bounce coming from this possibly. I don't think it's going to happen. It probably still has room. Next, we got our Disney. Look at that. Disney this sector has been just annihilated. Disney has gone down pretty badly. I'm hoping it holds around the 150 area and it doesn't break, but I can't promise you anything. Disney has been beaten up severely. This is the only stock Nancy Pelosi has bought, and it has not gone up a ton of percentages. It's just been taking hit after hit after hit nonstop, and it's just not even going up. It's just flat or dying. That's how bad it is. Nancy Pelosi's only terrible stock. If you look at AB is a monster, right? She pretty much bought it around the $33 area when she got into it, and it's just been an absolute beast. All it does is go up, right? It's like I've never seen this stock go down. It just keeps going up. It gets a pullback, boom, shoots up another $10. Probably gonna get a pullback here, boom. You can expect new all-time highs with this. This stock is a beast. It is non-stop. All right, your next sector soon is going to be oil. All right, oil stocks have not gone down enough yet. They have a lot of room to drop. All right, look at Gush, your triple leverage fund. Gush pretty much has a lot of room to go back down. All right, we're expecting Gush to probably go around $60 to $70. That's where I expect it to start holding. It has plenty of room to come back down. ExxonMobil, ConocoPhillips, they're just starting to die. This is not a sector I would start building my position in. It has a lot of room to go down. But the next stock is our Twitter, Snapchat, and a few others, right? Look at that. Your Twitter, Google is just a beast. You can't mess with that. But your Twitter, Snapchat, and even Pins is getting brutally beat, all right? I really like Snapchat over all three of them. I think Snapchat is probably the best one that's going to survive. Twitter definitely isn't going to go anywhere. I told you guys last time I made my video on Twitter to buy let me find where it died last time. Right here. It was this time. Here it was around $44. I gave a buy signal. I told you guys, get into Twitter. A lot of you doubted me and hated me. And look what happened. It went to 80. All right? 80, you crackheads. It doubled your money. All right? I literally doubled your money with Twitter. Probably like an 80-90% return on Twitter you could have made if you would have just listened to me and not say, oh, Twitter doesn't make revenue, Twitter's going to die forever, and Twitter's a $10 stock. No, Twitter is going to come back. Snapchat is going to come back. These are multi-billion-dollar industry companies. They are going to keep making money, keep coming back. Tech sector is just the most powerful sector. Communication and tech. I can expect these stocks to come back very soon. Pretty much with Pins, the thing is, this stock follows Snapchat and Twitter, right? It moves very similar to these stocks, right? Anytime Twitter and Snapchat goes down, you can expect Pinterest to pull back too, right? If you're going to buy between Pinterest or Snapchat, I go with Snapchat. It's a much better company. I like Snapchat a lot better. I even like it over Twitter better. I think these two are in huge competition, Twitter and Snapchat. The charts are very similar, very relatively similar. Look at that. You got your broken family coming all the way down. Broken family coming all the way down with Twitter. So these are your sectors you really want to target. Your financial sector, banks, your communication like Twitter and Snapchat and Pinterest. Your energy sector, not yet. I think it has a lot of room to go down still. But that's going to be the next sector you want to keep your eye on, right? Look at airline sector. Airline has been beaten up pretty nicely as well. That could be the next sector also to look into. Also, your travel stocks like Carnival Cruise. I don't like it. It's not a very profitable company, especially during this time with the pandemic going on. Let's see. Royal Caribbean. All these have been taking massive hits. But if you're thinking these companies are just going to go out of business, you're dead wrong, right? You'd be dead wrong. They will come back. and they will come back and make new all-time highs again. All right, you just have to give them time. I'd rather trade them than stay into them long term. These aren't stocks that I would rely my money on long term. It's just not for me. Carnival Cruise has been a massive, powerful company before the pandemic. It was making a lot of money and it was paying a ton of money in dividends. It has a lot of opportunities still left. You just have to wait until this pandemic disappears and a lot of people will travel again, and a lot of these stocks will come back to life, especially your airlines. Look at that, they are just getting beat. Right, SPR is one of my favorite companies to trade. This is like Boeing, but pretty much a fraction of its price, right? SPR is like Boeing, but just a fraction of its price. So if you guys can't afford to get Boeing shares, the next best bet is SPR. All right, SPR is a really great company. I really like it. GE, not so great. I don't like this company. What they're doing is they're breaking up their company into several other companies. I don't like GE. I prefer SPR, or Boeing is pretty good. These are the only two really airlines-ish that I like. I think these two companies will do well in the long time and will come back stronger than ever before. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells here and there as well. I post a lot of interesting stocks regarding the market as well, so make sure to follow me there. Leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have a question on a specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, guys, make sure to always get your free stocks, 2 of them right now from WeBull. All you gotta do is hit the link in the description box below, sign up, use the app, download it, and WeBull will give you 1 free stock. And if you make a deposit of just $5, WeBull will give you your second stock for free, valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Check the link in the description box below for that. If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade gives out pretty decent stocks as well. Link to that can be found in the description box below as well. And of course, if you want another final stock, Robinhood always gives out pretty decent stocks here and there as well. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.